Hey, welcome to Marketing Shred. Today, I'm going to show you my personal AI-powered workflow for managing tasks and how I turn chaos into a clear, organized system in just minutes. If your desk is covered in sticky notes, your whiteboard is full of scribbles, and your brain is juggling 1,000 ideas, you're going to love this. It's practical, it's replicable, and it's designed to remove all the friction from actually getting things done. And if you are like me, you still love writing things down by hand, scribbling on a whiteboard, and yes, also using ChatGPT, this tutorial is for you. Alright, let's dive in. I've already set up a custom ChatGPT agent I call my personal time management assistant. It already knows my schedule, my tasks, and exactly what I'm working on, so it can keep me organized without me having to think about it. And here's the best part. At the end of this video, I'll give you a free Notion template so you can set up the exact same system for yourself and have your AI do all the heavy lifting. Let's ask ChatGPT how my schedule today looks like. I will also ask to add all my tasks since it seems it forgot some. Now you can see my full course and tasks of the day organized by category. Secondly, I capture everything I have on separate sources. My whiteboard scribbles, my sticky notes. I literally take screenshots or photos of my notes and upload them into ChatGPT. I also want to add something I took a picture of. Here's a real photo of my whiteboard. I'll take a screenshot of it so I can include it in my workflow. I also have sticky notes, which I've already photographed and saved. Now here's the plan. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to categorize these tasks into columns: day, week, status, priority, category, notes. This is important because it makes the Notion template work properly. Without it, your tasks won't populate correctly. Once that's done, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a CSV file so I can download and import it directly into Notion. Here's where the magic happens. I take the organized tasks and export them into a CSV file. That way, I can import them directly into my Notion workspace. No manual typing needed. So we have our file ready, and I'll just go ahead and download it. Now we can open Notion. The easiest way to do this, without doing it multiple times, is to simply merge with CSV into your existing Notion database. First, open the All Tasks tab in your Notion template. On the left sidebar, click Merge with CSV. You'll see the Import CSV into Notion window pop up. Choose your CSV file from your computer, then click Map CSV Headers. In the preview window, make sure all the headers and columns look correct. Finally, click Import CSV, and that's it. Your tasks are now inside Notion, perfectly organized and ready to go. Sometimes the week column isn't filled in, no problem. Just copy and paste the values down the column and it's instantly fixed. I also like to add a bit of variety, rearranging tasks or color coding them so it's more visual. And now my table is fully populated with all my tasks. To make this even easier for you, I've created a free Notion template. Download it from the link in the description, upload your CSV, and you're ready to dominate your day without drowning in sticky notes. So now you've seen exactly how I populate and organize my system. This works for me every single day, and I'm sure it will work for you too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And remember, you can find the free Notion template link in the description below. Thank you, and see you in the next one.